Hello, I'm going to show you how to install Coffee in your Drupal 10 website. Now, Coffee is a module which helps you navigate through the admin menus, much like the Spotlight in Mac. You just use a shortcut key on your keyboard and it opens up very nicely. Let me show you. All right, we have a fresh Drupal site install, which I'm logged into with the admin account. We have a terminal in our Drupal 10 directory. Now, let's get the composer line from the Drupal.org website. And we'll Control-Shift-V, paste it in, but I forgot the ddev. ddev is the beautiful wrapper which runs our Drupal site in Docker. All right, so it is installed, or rather it's downloaded in the vendor directory and inserted into the composer.json. Now we should do a ddev brush en copy. And it is enabled. So if we reload this and press Alt-Shift-D in Firefox, we get our nice little coffee menu. And you can click content or whatever you want, but it's very handy to have. So I recommend you download it. Thank you.